This type of AI music videos are getting quite popular on YouTube and Instagram, and you might have seen some channels creating AI music videos are doing really great. And you also might have seen AI influencers doing paid promos on Instagram. But why these videos or influencers doing really great? The main reason behind that is a consistent character. So in this video, I will show you how you can create AI influencer with consistent character for your Instagram or YouTube music videos. For this, we need 3 ingredients. First, ChatGPT to write all our prompts. Second, an AI image model. And third, an AI video model if you want to create music videos. So let's create your AI influencer and see how it is done. Alright, first we will go to the ChatGPT and create a prompt to generate our character or influencer. First, we will define how we want our character or influencer to look like. Its age, gender, ethnicity, race, and other details like body shape, color, hairstyle, hair color, facial feature, and whatever you want your model to look like, you have to define that. And then the dress or outfit you want that model to wear and the plain background. Now, if you are not sure, you can search on Google for hairstyle, body shape, and other features, facial features, or you can ask the ChatGPT as well. Like, I want my model to have this kind of hairstyle, this one. So I will just copy the hairstyle name and put it on the ChatGPT. Like, I want my model to have black hair and this hairstyle. So all the details are filled. Now let's generate the prompt. Now I got this prompt to generate my character. So I will go to any image generation model and paste this prompt. There are many free image generation models available, but if you are serious, you have to get any paid image generation model. Now I will use PicLumen AI image generator to create my character. It is completely free to try. You can get free credits to generate your character. And you can also get rewards for daily login and doing some tasks. But if you are serious with your character or influencer, then you have to get the paid version of the image generation model. Now I will just go to create option and paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT. And the next option is reference image. Right now we don't have any reference image. And then model. There are many top AI image generation model available on PicLumen like Realistic V2, Nano Banana, Flux Kria, Flux Kontext, Flux Dev, and Primo. You can use any of them to generate your character. So first I will try this Realistic V2, that is in-house model of PicLumen. Then select the resolution that you want. There are different resolutions available like 9:16 if you want the vertical photos or 16:9 if you want the landscape. So first I will select 9:16 and then advanced setting. Now the guidance scale, that means how strictly you want this image model to follow your prompt. If you increase the slider, it will stick to your prompt. And then steps option, if you increase the steps, it will create high quality image but also take more time. And then seed and negative prompts. Seed value you can assign any numerical number and use that number to generate further images to follow your character. And negative prompt you can type any negative prompt that you don't want with your character. Now let's hit generate. Now my character is ready. It looks good but not exactly what I wanted my character to look like. See, it is a high quality image. The realistic V2 model did a great job. But this is not the character what I wanted to create. And now I will use different AI image generation model like this Primo one and see what does it create. Select this model and generate my character. This one is also good but looks artistic. So I will use another model like this Flux Dev and see what does it create. And I found that Flux Dev creates high quality image with perfection and looks realistic. You see, this character looks real, like a real woman, and Flux Dev followed all the prompt that I asked, like the hair color, body type, facial feature. Flux Dev did a great job. Although this character looks really great, but let's try something different. Let's create another character. You see, you have to try and test. You won't be able to generate the perfect character in first few tries. So you have to try it few times, then you will get the perfect character that you are actually looking for. So I asked ChatGPT to create same character with different ethnicity and I got this prompt. So let's paste the prompt and select the Flux Dev model and then aspect ratio, number of images and then generate the character. Now I got these three images and I think these are looking actually good. And this is the character that I wanted. The second image is perfect for the character that I requested. So I will use the second image as my character. First, let's upscale it. Click on upscale option and use the maximum strength. Hit OK to upscale. Now the upscaled version is ready. You see it is a really high quality image. Even after 300% zoom, it is not pixelating. Now I will download and use this image as a reference to create more images of this character. So first let's go to the ChatGPT and ask it to save this character in the memory. Like I like this character and keep this in memory as a base prompt. Now ChatGPT will remember your character and you have to use the same ChatGPT chat to create the more version of your character. So you have to go to same chat again and type whatever you want your model to do or pose. Like I want my model to walk on the street with a colorful background. So it will create a new prompt and I will use this prompt to create a new version of my character. So let's paste it here. And now I will use the reference image of my model or character. Select it and then strength, reference image strength. You should keep it more than 0.5 or maximum 1 and then save. Use the Flux Dev model and then ratio that you want. I will use the landscape and then advanced setting. You can enhance the guidance scale, steps, seed value and negative prompt as well. Even if you don't put any seed value manually, it will automatically assign a seed value. And you can use that seed value to create this similar character or similar image. Now let's generate. So we are creating a new scene with our character. So I used my character as a reference to create new scenes. And it has generated 3 images. And I will choose this one for our opening scene. Right? And I think this one looks good and I will use this image to create further images with same outfit. For that you need to click on edit option and then you will get 2 models to create more version of same image. Nano Banana and Flux Kontext. Okay, let's create a music video script first and then we will generate our images accordingly. So I will go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a music video script with our character and I will define what type of video that I want. Now if you want to create a high quality music videos, then you can create a storyboard on ChatGPT and that I have explained in another video. You can watch that video given in the cards or find the link in description. Okay, our scenes are ready for this video. Now let's create the image generation prompt for each scenes. So ChatGPT will write image generation prompt for every scene and I will copy that prompt to create more variation of our model. Here I will use Flux Kontext and paste that scene details and hit generate. Now it will create a new image of my character doing different activity in different background. And you can see that the character has same outfit and other facial features but different background and different pose. Now for the next scene I can use this image. I can edit this image and write the prompt and it will generate the different image. Or I can use the first image of our scene and it will also do the same. So let's copy and paste the next scene details, next image generation prompt and generate. Now you can see that it is quite similar to our previous image. This is because the Flux Kontext is an image editing model and you have to strictly define what are the changes that you want in our next image. And also our image prompt was quite similar to the previous one. Now I will edit this image and type a different prompt for different background and different style. Now you see the character is same with same outfit but have different background, the beach background, but she is looking bit similar in walking style. Okay, now again I will use the first scene to create more images of our character. So I will just edit and copy the prompt from ChatGPT, and I will strictly define what I want in my next scene. So I have written a detailed prompt. Now I will define that I want same outfit with same color as well. So I will strictly define that, and whatever my character is doing in the next scene, I will define that as well. Now let's generate, and you see that I got this image. This is exactly what I wanted. She is in the street holding a coffee cup, and it is not similar to the previous image. So this way I will create more scenes, more images of my character with different style, different background and in different activity. I will just edit the image and strictly define whatever I want in the next scene. See, I am showing you how exactly it is done. You have to try and test multiple times till the time you get the perfect character with your image model. There are many YouTubers that will show you the best part only and pretend like they know everything. But in reality, this is how it is exactly done. You have to try and test till the time you get the perfect character. Alright, now I have created many different images with my character that I actually wanted. So I edited my first image and then few more images to get exactly what I was looking for my music video. So all the magic happens with your prompt. You have to define exactly what you want. With the Flux Kontext model, you can keep the same character with same outfit and generate the different style, different background and facial expression that you want. Now I want a different scene with different outfit. So I will ask ChatGPT to write the prompt and copy this prompt to PicLumen and use the same reference image, my base character, and I will use Flux Dev model this time and then generate the image. With the Flux Dev model, you will get totally different scene with your character. You see, the character has different outfit, the matching outfit as the beach. Now I think this one looks good, this image looks good, and I will create more images using this image. So I will just edit and write the prompt, and I will strictly define she is wearing same outfit with same color and hit generate. Now I got my character with the same dress doing different activity like she is running on the seashore and quite happy. So this way I have created multiple scenes for my music video. Now remember, you have to use the Flux Dev model to create your base character and use that character to generate more variation of the image using the Flux Kontext. Simply, the Flux Dev is one of the best image generation model and Flux Kontext is one of the best image editing model. Now all the images are ready. I can upscale them and download. So I will just upscale every image to the maximum available strength and download them. So let's upscale them one by one that I want in my music video. And also if you don't want to create any music video, you can upscale and download all the images and post them on Instagram or wherever you want. You can also create a carousel post on Instagram like your influencer is wearing same outfit doing different activity at different locations and it will get more engagement. Now I want to create a music video, so I upscaled every image and downloaded them. Okay, for my music video, I will go back to the ChatGPT and ask it to write the video generation prompt for each scenes. Now I will define whatever I want in my video, whatever my character is doing, the environment, the camera angle, and everything that I want, I will write here and then ChatGPT will give me a detailed prompt. Now I will use this prompt in any video model like Kling AI, Minimax or VEO3. So I will just copy this prompt and for this example I am going to use the VEO3. So let's search for Google Flow and then go to the Flow website and create with Flow. Now create a new project Now to create videos with VEO models, you must have the Google AI Pro subscription plan. And it is free for 1 year for students, and you know how to get that. Now we will use frame to video option and then upload our first frame. The first image that we created using PicLumen for our music video. This one, right? Hit open and then crop and save. Now let's copy the video gen prompt that we got from ChatGPT. And then you can choose some settings like aspect ratio. We want the landscape version, so select it. And the output per prompt, keep it to the 1. And the model, we will use the VEO3 quality, and it will also get the audio. But if you use the VEO2, you can select the camera angle, and the camera angle is not available with VEO3. So you see, these are the camera angles that are available, but it is not available with the VEO3. You have to use the VEO2. However, we have already defined the camera angle in our video prompt. So let's create it. It will take around 1 minute to generate the video. You see, the video is ready with the audio as well. In the same way, I will create the next video. I will select the scene number 2, upload the image, and then I will go back to the ChatGPT and explain whatever I want in my video, and then I will get a detailed prompt and copy this prompt to generate my next video. So you have to repeat this process with every scene. Upload the image, write the video prompt and generate every video that you want. With the same way, I created all the clips that I wanted for my music video. Once all the clips are ready, you can download them. So let's download the first clip first and hit the download button, and you can also upscale the videos for free if you are using VEO3 model. And after upscale, download every video. Once all the clips are ready, fire up your favorite video editor, import all the clips and place them on timeline, and import any music that you want to include with your music video and edit it as you want. You may find some glitches in few clips, so you have to cut that part and apply some transition effects and synchronize your clips with the music, and you are good to go. Your music video is ready. Alright guys, so this is how you create AI influencer and music videos for your YouTube or Instagram. And you need only 3 things: ChatGPT and an image model like PicLumen and a video model like VEO3, Kling AI or Minimax. And if you are new to this channel, then I create videos around PC, hardware, software and AI stuff. And if you find it helpful, you can subscribe. I will see you in my next one.